Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, this run will be crazier than last time. Let's go ahead and get ready for it. In this video, I'm gonna share a few reasons on why I believe so. So AMC is heating up. Everybody know that it's about to be, already is the most talked about stock in the market right now. So we know last year around this time, for the new ones that's just coming about, quick summary, because the ones that been here definitely don't want to hear it. But long story short, AMC GME was the hottest stocks in the game. GME took off first. AMC followed right behind it. One of the two biggest meme stocks in this territory. So with that being said, GME ran off, hit a peak of around almost $400 on last year. AMC ran as high as $77, and both of them could have most definitely went higher, but due to hedge funds coming in with a lot of tactics, manipulation, a lot of orders going through the dark pool, naked short selling, and all these other tactics that they had up their sleeves, we got hammered down and couldn't reach our full potential. Now it coming full 365. Retail investors still holding the line. They haven't went anywhere. The retail army just gotten bigger and even stronger, and now we coming to do this thing another time and give it another run. This time, I want people to smarten up though, from, just speaking to help the ones that went through all that. Don't never, especially if you got in early on. But if you got in near the top, it really didn't matter. But if you got in early on and it ran as high as it went and you didn't protect yourself, meaning shave some off the top, also reward yourself for holding and then let the rest ride, then that's shame on you. Always do that. Always, protect yourself and don't put all your finances in one basket, and don't, make sure you protect them. If you just in the business for throwing away money, because some people they got different, agendas for this, then that's, ain't talking to you. But if you care about your money, I'm talking to you. So anyways, guys, this will be crazier than last time though, because it's more people involved. The people that was already involved and that got out, because you might say, well, B Hayes, everybody ain't still here. A lot of people sold off. Yes, they did. But a lot of the part due to us coming down was due to, manipulation of AMC stock price. We know majority didn't go anywhere, but a lot did sell off. But those same people is rerouting and coming right back. So, the interest is still there, the volume still there, everything's still there, what we had before, but even more. We got even more bigger. You got an even bigger community behind us, and all the people that sold out from the last herd, all those people coming right back in to AMC. So that's going to be, even double to triple trouble than they had before. Like we know, they is losing steam, guys. They losing momentum. They losing, this is costing them bukus of money to continue to do this to this stock. They're going to eventually have to fold, especially if the retail investors don't fold first. So you already know this is tug of war. The stock market, the financial industry never seen anything like this. We basically having our own Super Bowl, our own, I don't know, whatever big events you can think about, as big as the Super Bowl. We having our own event like this in the stock market. And the stock market don't get this much attention. It never been this lit. We changing the whole game. So you already know, guys, we doing something different. We doing something major, and it's about to get crazy, because like I say, people is like, the stock market is a big history book. It only repeats itself, and human nature tends to do the same thing that they done before. So they know, everybody know, well, I ain't gonna say everybody, but people that is more knowledgeable in the markets could pretty much tell once we broke 23, we was flying straight off to the high 20s, right near the early 30s. So with that being said, once we did that increase of a jump, we knew the masses was going to be alerted. Everybody's going to be hyped again, and it's going to draw so many eyeballs. Now everyone's just waiting on the deal. And if they get a deal, they're going to definitely buy and hold, because they see the full potential. They see, like, dang, this stock got hammered down, came down to 13, 14 range, and now it's moving back up. And the herd, the crew, it only got bigger and stronger and wiser and smarter. You ain't forget to say that part, Hayes. All while we been waiting the whole year, all these retail investors, millions and millions of people, all been now they in tune with the market. Now they thinking like, dang, I just came for this, but now I see I can actually, generate a wealth. I can use the stock market to help build my wealth even further. So now these people, they doing research and learning more about the market and actually learning all these different terms, learning the lingo, learning exactly how to get in, get out of these plays, knowing how to maneuver around and knowing exactly how to find themselves and knowing, knowing the different tactics and the things that you can use to your advantage to be have one step ahead, to basically have an edge. I call it having an edge in the market. So everybody able to do their research now and look around and get all their stuff and come up with a unique self and have an edge over the market. So this ain't what they want. This definitely ain't what they want, especially at the fact that a lot of people ain't trying to work. And if y'all start learning the market, millions and millions of people learning the market and building wealth through there, it definitely ain't gonna be nobody to work. So they don't want that, guys. That's another reason. And we know all the Citadel, these hedge funds, these big dogs, these big players, they all connected in one. They all together. That's why it took so long for them to come out with some type of narrative on what's going to be the repercussions behind everything that took place with this. You get what I'm saying? It been going on, but only reason a big light is being shed on it and something really got to happen from behind it is because it's too many people watching. It's millions and millions and millions of people involved. If it was just me, just you, just 2 or 3, 4, 5 people, 10 people, they'll let it brush away. It'll go away. You get what I'm saying? But something got to come out of this. And you already know, guys, we done made it a long way, and I ain't gonna hold y'all. Just want to give y'all a quick video, let you guys know that I do think AMC will be crazier this time than last time, because once this thing stay up at this level, we're gonna have a pullback. I believe so, guys. But once this thing stay up and maintain at these levels and continue to push higher, because the momentum, everything's there. Once we get a jump like that, the previous jump that we seen, we up like 80% in the past week, 30% on last week, 44% on today. With that type of increase, once we start getting that momentum, it don't stop. It keep going. The same momentum we had going to the downside, things shift. And now we're getting that same momentum going to the upside. And it's about to be crazier than before, guys, because soon as we get above that $30 level, that's our offense defense level. We'll be back on offense once we get over 30. It'll we here, we back. That's what it, that's what it really will be. Just saying we back over 30. So once we get back over 30, even more FOMO gonna come in. Institutions already buying, not just retail. The big dogs, they buying too. They see it's too much potential, too much money to be made. So you already know, guys, this going down in history. I hope you're gonna be a part of it. Let your family, your friends, let them all know. But also let them know it ain't no guarantees and it's a risk involved. And just buying into something because it's green, it is considered chasing. Not saying, I'm with it. We been with this for the long, but I got to let my people know, can't leave y'all blind. So like I always say,